This is the skin story package that I have received, and I'm going to do the unboxing of this package and show you all what is inside this package. I've got 3 products: the body butter, the hair mist, and 𝐸 foam cleanser, ultra hydrating body butter for all skin types. The next product we have is keratin hair mist enriched with refreshing kiwi essence with UV protection. That's great. And again, it is for all hair types. The third product that we have got over here is the Skin Story No Rinse Foam Cleanser, and this is for face and body both. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you all the demo application and review of all these products. Till then, stay tuned and stay happy. It's me, Priyankka Dadwal, saying ciao for now.